Take a look at this 1953 Chevrolet 3600 long box pickup. Actually pretty nice looking work truck here. Obviously the 3600s in the day would have been used in our area a lot for farming. This one, you can see it's not all beat up. This truck was pretty well cared for throughout its life. Is it perfect? No. But if you know what these looked like when they weren't taken care of and just used around the farm and what have you, you'd have fenders banged into, you'd have doors hanging, you'd have hoods buckled. This one, you take a look at it, it's pretty straight. It's obviously had one repaint somewhere along the way to the blue color that it is now. Still has a pretty decent luster to it. But no, not a real high-end paint job, but still looks good. Has a nice luster to it. Powered by the inline six, like it would have came with new underneath the hood. It is a manual transmission. But you know, just look at the door gaps in this thing. Look at how well those doors still fit. And this truck by no means has went under a big high-end restoration. It's just been taken care of. You can come back and look at the rear fenders. Like I said, lots of times how these were used, they were banged up or dented up. Not in this case. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, engine bay, interior, it's all stock under the hood, stock in the interior. Underneath the truck, you will see scaling and surface rust and what have you. But as far as solid truck, it's not, you know, full of rust holes underneath there. Go ahead and take a look. You can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the bed. Wood solid in it. Fancy by any means? No. But if you wanted to use this truck just for a cruise to go to some roll-ins, or you want to use it for a little work truck around a hobby farm or what have you, it's a nice running truck. We'll start her up here in a little bit. Feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions, like to discuss transportation or got any questions on the truck. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, look at this rear fender. This is all steel. There's been nothing replaced on it as far as that goes. But yeah, come around and look at the fit of this door again. Look at those door seams. How even they are. Still put together pretty darn nice. As you can see, getting the interior, very stock. The seat's probably been recovered along the way somewhere. But as far as doors, got a few pictures in the still pictures underneath the mat there, the floors. Yeah, there's surface rust, but once again, it's not full of holes or anything like that. Okay, see how this starts. That's it. I didn't step on the gas. It was push the clutch in and push the starter. You probably barely hear it running. Slip around to the back. This truck was actually driven to us from, see that door close? Again, just unbelievably solid. Still put together pretty nice. I don't know if you can hear that running or not. It's that smooth. And no, it's not throwing a bunch of smoke out from anywhere or anything. I was saying this truck was actually driven to us from a good 30, 40 miles away. So it's reliable going down the road. Not going to set any land speed records with it or anything, but drives down the road nice. Again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'll walk up to that hood, see if you can hear the engine. There you go. Hear how smooth that runs? Pretty cool. 1953 Chevrolet 3600 long box.